In this video I'll show you how you can prevent WindRose from crashing. Now the first step you can try is to go to Steam, right click on WindRose, go to Properties, go to General, go to the Launch Options and then type -dx12 and then press enter. This might help you resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, you might also try dx11 instead. Let's say that doesn't work, you can also go to the installed files section and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any missing or corrupt files that prevent you from playing the game properly. Let's say that doesn't work either. What you can also do is go to the Browse tab above, then right click on the .x file, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, then click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations. I personally had this myself once, where screen resolution made my game crash. I don't know why that happens, but it did. And another thing you could try is to enable Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Then click on Apply and OK. If that doesn't work, you can also go to the .x file again, right click it, and then enable Run as Administrator. Sometimes this bypasses some of the issues that you might be facing. The last few things you can try is to go to the search and type Windows, then click on Windows Update Settings. And sometimes there will be an update available for you to install. Like you can see, there are around 3 updates that I can currently install. Final thing you can try is to go to the search and type your graphics card. Now mine is NVIDIA, so I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on the Drivers tab, and like you can see, there is an update that I can install. And down below you'll see what it fixes. I hope this video helped you out.